Everyone, and welcome to Grub's TV Kitchen. Yay, our first ever video, and I'm so excited to be sharing my love for cooking with you guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for amazing recipe. In this festive season, I would be sharing out a lot of recipe almost every day, so stay tuned and tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Every foodie person to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Be taking you on how to cook a Nigerian jollof rice. I hope you enjoy it. Here are the list of our ingredients. We have vegetable oil, we have our tomato paste, onion, garlic, ginger, the bay leaf, salt, stock cube, tomatoes, pepper, and red bell pepper. We have thyme, then we have rice. The rice I use basmati rice. We have a cup of water as well. For the rice I use the basmati rice, and I'll explain further. Blend onion, garlic, ginger, and tomatoes, including the bell pepper. I like mine roughly chopped, so you can blend it any way you want it. For the rice, you pour either warm water or hot water over rice and allow it set for about 30 minutes. While this is waiting, remember to steam the blended paste that you did, and you set it aside. Once this is done and you're ready to cook, you wash off the starch from the rice and you sieve it and you set aside. So now let's talk about onion. Onion is very important when it comes to jollof rice. It gives it this sweet, subtle taste, and when you're cooking your jollof rice, it steams with it. The jollof rice comes out fresh. So I had to slice an extra onion for this. Now we have our tomato paste, which I parboiled. That's the blended tomatoes which are parboiled. So I've set it aside. Now this is ready to go in. So the first thing, you add your vegetable oil. Once your vegetable oil is in, add your onion and you stir fry. Just stir it for a few minutes before you add your tomato paste. Once you add your tomato paste, you stir continuously so that it doesn't get burned or it doesn't stick to the pot. Once this is done, the next step is to add your bay leaf. The reason why I'm adding the bay leaf now is to help diffuse the flavor of bay leaf. Bay leaf is one of the major ingredients that you must put in your jollof rice to get that whole local Nigerian jollof rice. Very important, your bay leaf. Then add the tomato paste that you've actually parboiled. Make sure to stir continuously so that your paste doesn't get burned. If you have excess oil, you could actually scoop it out or wait till you're done frying your tomato paste. Don't be scared about the oil. One thing I understand is Tatashe or bell pepper eats a lot of oil. When your tomato paste is ready, you can add your salt and your bouillon cube, and then you add your rice. Once you add your rice, you mix everything together. This is where you add the dry herbs. Add your cup of water. Your cup of water might not be enough based on the kind of rice you are using to cook, so you have to continuously check. You can add little water to monitor it. To cover your pot, you need the foil paper. You are to place the foil paper over the pot of rice and you cover it with your lid. Make sure there are no air coming out. The steam is supposed to help cook your rice quick and evenly. Very important. Once in a while, you need to also go back and check your rice and you fluff the top. Since I'm using basmati rice, it's easy for me to do that. With that, you will check if you need to put extra water or not, or if you could just allow it. I like my jollof rice burnt a bit in the underneath, because that's where you get the sweetest part of jollof rice. I hope you enjoyed this video.